Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. We are unboxing my paid for Boxycharm Base box for May 2021. In this box we do get to customize one item in here, and I'm pretty excited to see what all is in this box. Make sure to stay tuned because I will be coming back and doing a paid for versus PR base box from Boxycharm for May 2021. So before we jump into the video and I unbox this, because I've not unboxed this yet. Y'all see that? Yeah. It's still sealed, so I'm pretty excited to see what is in here for this base box. But before we jump in, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox today, plan makeup, talk about makeup, do all things makeup and beauty, skincare, whatever, and just have a good old time, keeping it cute, putting it on mute. Let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so if y'all are new to the Boxycharm base box, this is $25 a month. We're not going to get into Boxy pop-up today, friends. We will do that in a different video for Boxy pop-up, but today we're just going to focus on my paid for Boxycharm base box. You do get to customize one item in the box, and when we open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. We do have a little like postcard in here. You know what, a lot of y'all asked me what the weight of the box is. I did take a screenshot of that. I have to find that, but there is a postcard in here, and it always has a theme. This month's theme is Boxycharm Flourish, and on the other side it does have all the information of everything in the box, retail value, little information about it. Let me real quick find you the information on the weight of my box. So the weight of this box is 1.4 pounds. If you are interested in that, I was able to find that email. So the first item I'm going to show you all is by Murad. This was a choice item. This is the Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. It does have a retail value of $74. Now, I did not choose this because of the retail value. I chose it because I have tried Murad products in the past, and I actually really do enjoy them. So a little information about the Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. It says it detoxifies and revitalizes the skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. We don't want that. We want to age with grace. So it does say that this is a breakthrough formula that contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralizes pollutants and strengthens the skin's barrier while you sleep. That's kind of what sold me there, was the whole strengthening the skin barrier. So that is my first item. The next item, I'm not very happy about that. This is by Manna Kadar. Now, don't get me wrong, I do enjoy Manna Kadar Beauty. I have a lot of her products. Matter of fact, sitting right here on my desk in this very big mess, I do have her lash conditioning formula. It has been in my favorites videos for many months. So the next item, hold on, it's kind of out of the box, but this is the tweezers. It says pluck it 2-piece tweezers. It does have a retail value of $18. It says it's time to pluck it, too bad brows. I'm not going to read that. It's tweezers. Okay, so here you go on that. Okay, so these do have a retail value of $18. The box is $25, so I think I'm only being salty because I don't need tweezers, but it is what it is, and you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. The next item in here is the Shadow Flip by Ciate London. Now, these I was actually kind of curious about, only because I have tried their lip flip lipsticks, and you really have to do a lot of pressing. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Okay, mind changing. So little information about the Shadow Flip. It has a retail value of $20. It's a liquid eyeshadow that has a shade shifting, color flipping pigment. Oh, you know what? I don't think we're gonna have to press to get it. Oh, it's just like a really cool duo. Yep, it's a duochrome type of formula. Think like Natasha Denona. So this I'm actually pretty pleased with. Honestly, I like the size of the component because, in all honesty, being totally transparent with you all, this is just a few of my liquid types of eyeshadows. I mean, let's ignore the fact I do have some liquid lipsticks in here, but y'all see that? That's just a few. That is not even counting the stuff I have behind me. So I like the fact that the size of this little component is smaller, and I like the way it shifts. It's like maroon, green, yellow, gold. You see a lot of different shifts in there. You may not see it in my camera, but in person there's a lot of shifty shifts in there. So I'm actually a bit more excited about that than I thought. So it does look like that it dries down pretty fast. Do you know how pretty that would be with the Pat McGrath? I think it's called the Bronze palette. How cool would it look with this palette? Right? That I'm gonna have to do a look, because this will complement the palette so well. I mean, right off the bat, this one and like these two shades, I feel like are totally in this little shifty shade. So I'm gonna leave that out to remind myself to make sure to create a look. So that is the second item, or the third item in the box. Next we have, this is my daily dose of Uplift Smooth and Lift. It's a cocktail of collagen, Q10, and hyaluronic encapsulated serum from Japan by Skin Inc. You know, okay, first off, typically we don't see these kind of things in boxes, so that right away kind of throws me off as far as that goes. It's funny enough. Oh, can we, okay, nobody has shown me the bubbles in the little container. How cool is that? All right, so it's in like a little squeezy thing, and I'm not going to open it because I have an ungodly amount of skincare open right now. But I'm the type of person, I absolutely love skincare, receiving skincare, so I'm totally okay with this. It does say on here that it does have a retail value of $65. It's the Skin Reviving Serum with encapsulated collagen, everything I just read to you all. So I'm kind of okay with this product. So that is the next product in here. The last item in here is by Beekman 1802 Dewy Eyed Illuminating Eye Serum. So here is the box. It looks like it's wrapped in cloth. Hold on. What? Okay, so it's literally wrapped in a little cloth. Like, that's kind of bougie. Okay. Oh, it's in a plastic container. So you went from bougie to like, I don't know, maybe that's just me being a little snotty, and I haven't checked to see what the price is, but I feel like you went so all out on the packaging. I thought there was going to be a glass bottle in here. Anybody else? Just me? I don't know. So this is Illuminating Eye Serum. It does have a retail value of $42. It says say goodbye to fatigue and awaken tired eyes with a highly concentrated, clinically proven eye serum. A powerful blend of actives, goat milk quickly absorbs into the skin for hydrating revitalization that illuminates the eyes while helping to fight the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. So it does have a little pump on here as well, but kind of, I really was expecting like a huge production there, so I really wish that this had been glass, and I know it probably would have made it a little too expensive, but uh-oh, my battery is flashing at me. Okay, let me go ahead, tally all of everything up for y'all, let you know how much the retail value was. Okay, so keep in mind, everything in this box does only cost me $25, and if I tally everything up, it does come to a retail value of $218. I think if you look at everything that way, as if I was individually purchasing everything, coming up to $218, did I get a heck of a deal for only paying $25? Yes. plus tax, free shipping, all of that. So I am excited to try everything out. I am quite surprised and very pleased with the Ciate Linden. This is the shadow flip. I think it's going to pair, like I said, so well with the Pat McGrath palette. I am excited to pull some sort of look together. I mean, in all honesty, I haven't used this palette in so long, it's kind of sad. So I am excited to have a little bit of inspiration by this little $20 eyeshadow as far as that goes, and the amount of flipping that this actually does is pretty doggone cool. So anyways, overall 100% transparent with y'all, I'm not overly excited about this box, but I think at the end of the day I did get some good things for what I paid for the box. I mean, overall, I'm excited about these two products. Curious about this one. Overall, not the best box. I will be coming back and doing a PR versus paid box, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to check me out over on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, for some plus size curvy girl fashion hauls. If y'all are curious about my dress that I do have on, this is actually from Glitzy Girls Boutique. I will leave I don't even know if this dress is still available, so I'll just link down below for y'all just to go right over to Glitzy Girls, because they're constantly bringing in new things. They're absolutely so adorable over there. So make sure to go check out Glitzy Girl Boutique. And until next time, friends, I'm over on Facebook and TikTok at hotmessmomma4. And until next time, as always, I'm stressing out over this doggone battery flashing at me. I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Ah! Bye, guys.